Hello students, how are you? Today I will take your third class of the chapter 6 of first paper, correlation and regression. In your previous classes we have discussed the what is correlation, coefficient of correlation, types of coefficient of simple correlation, types of simple correlation, and the formula of coefficient of correlation, covariance. Okay, now today your chapter will be very easy for you when I will do some maths. Now I would like to discuss the maths in both the ways, shortcut method and the simple method. Okay, let's go to our maths. So mathematics, example 1, the age of husband and wife of 5 families are given below. So age of husband 27, age of wife of same couple is 24, age of husband 28, age of wife of same couple 26, like this 30, 28, 35, 32, 40, 35. Now data of 5 age of 5 couples, that is husband and wife, is given value. We have to find out the covariance and the coefficient of correlation in direct method. Covariance and coefficient of correlation. You know the formula of covariance is summation xi minus x bar yi minus y bar. Summation xi minus x bar into summation y bar minus y bar divided by n. That is, you need the x bar, you need the y bar. So how can I get x bar and y bar? If I add all these x, that is summation of x divided by n. What is the arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is sum of the observation divided by the number of observation. Sum of the observation divided by the number of observation. That is, you add all these things, divide by 5. All these things, sum of these things divided by 5 equal to 160 by 5, 32 is x bar. And y bar is sum of same case, sum of y divided by n. That is, you add all these things, that's 145 divided by 5, that is 29. So from the given data we have got the value of x bar and y bar. Now you need xi minus x bar. Xi, these are xi, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Xi, that is 27, minus x bar, that is 27 minus 32, minus 5. 28 minus 32, minus 4. 30 minus 32, minus 2. 35 minus 32, 3. 40 minus 32, 8. We have got all these xi minus x bar. Then summation of xi minus x bar, you add all these things. 8 and 3, 11. 11, that is minus is 5 minus 4, 9 and 2, 11. That is 0. Y minus y bar. Y minus y bar. These are yi. That is y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. Y minus y bar. 24 minus 29 minus 5. 26 minus 29 minus 4 minus 3. 28 minus 29 minus 1. 32 minus 29, 3. 35 minus 29, 6. Now x minus x bar whole square, you square this. 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16, 2 square is 2 to the 4, 3 square is 9, 8 to the 64. You add all these things, this will be summation x minus x bar whole square equal to this. Now some y minus y bar square. Y, this column is y. Y minus y bar square is y minus y bar is given. Y minus y bar is given. You square it. 5 5 the 25. 3 3 the 9. 1 on the 1. 3 3 is a 9, 6 is a 36. Here minus into minus, minus 1 is a plus. Okay, minus 5 into minus 5, plus 25. Now x minus x bar y minus y bar is given here. So minus the plus, 5 5 the 25, minus the plus, 4 3 the 12, minus the plus, 2 1 the 2. Like this you will get the product of x minus x bar y minus y bar. Now you add all these things, you will get the sum of this. You add all these things, sum of x minus x bar y minus y bar equal to 96. So we have completed the table. All these have got already, very easy way. Now covariance XY, write the formula, you put the values of formula, you will get the separate marks for formula. Mind it, if you write the formula wrong way, then you won't get the marks. So if you write only the formula right way, you can get some partial marks. Summation xi minus x bar y minus y bar is 96. Divide by n. And how many pairs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pairs. That is divided by 5. That is 19.2. This is the covariance of xi. Now the coefficient of correlation. Summation xi minus x bar y minus y bar. Root bar summation xi minus x bar square y minus y bar square. I is written sometimes. I is not factor. Somebody can write r, somebody cannot write. It doesn't matter. You can write I, you cannot write I, no problem. So summation xi minus x bar y minus y bar is what? 96. Root over summation xi minus x bar square 1 on 8. Summation y minus y bar square 80. Okay, you multiply this square root, find the square root, then divide 0.98. So the coefficient of correlation are equal to 0.98. So if they ask to comment, it is not exactly 1, not 0, that is greater than 0, less than 1, greater than 0 and less than 1. So it is the partial positive correlation. So the A's between the couples are partially positively correlated. Partially positively correlated. A's given the couples, 5 couples are partially positively correlated. So is there a doubt? I think we have understand easily. Now same question, we will solve the alternatively. We will solve the same question or alternative process for solving the same question. You have given that value of x equal to this and y equal to this. In the question it is given the value of x, that is age of husband and the age of wife. You know the covariance of xy equal to, in shortcut method, summation xy, summation x, summation y by n, divided by n. Okay, this is the covariance of xy for shortcut method. Summation xy, summation x, summation y by n. So you have only x and y is given. Summation of x means you add all these things. You find sum of all x. This is summation of x. Summation of y, you need to find out the sum of y's, or you add all the values of y. This is sum y. Now for only covariance you need xy also. Here xy is given. X into y. 27 into 24, this. 28 into 26, this. 30 into 28, this. 35 into 32, this. Okay, like this way we can get the column of xy. That is, xy means multiply the column of x and y. For each row you will get the product of xy of first row, second one, second row. Okay, now coefficient of correlation, you get the formula of this. Shortcut, in shortcut method, the coefficient of correlation are equal to summation xy minus summation x, summation y by n, root over summation x summation x square minus summation x whole square by n into summation y square minus summation y square y whole square by n. Mind it, whole square. Summation x whole square. There are some difference between summation x square and summation x whole square. This is summation x square. Square of sum. This is sum of square. Square of sum of square. Okay, summation x whole square. So I need here summation x y is given already. I found summation x y. Summation x is found. Summation y is found. Now summation x square, it is not found. So summation x square is square of value of x, 27 into 27, 729. In your calculator, you just find out the square. 28 square this, 30 square this, okay, x square. Now y square. Y square is 24 square this one, 26 square this, 28 square 784, 32 square 1024, 35 square 1225. So if I add all these x square, then we will get the summation of x square. If I add all y square, then I'll get the summation of y square. So you have finished all these things in this table. We have calculated all these things. Okay. Now you put the values in formula. What is summation xy minus summation x summation y by n divided by n. Summation y xy. What is summation xy? 4736. What is summation x? 160. What is summation y? 145. What is the value of n? 5. How it is 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And n, this also 5. You calculate this into this divided by 5 minus 4736 minus this divided by 5, 19.2. So covariance in our previous mass, it was also 19.2. Same thing. So it is also proved that the shortcut method and the previous method answer is same. Now the coefficient of correlation are equal to summation xi minus summation x summation y by n divided by root over summation x square minus summation x whole square by n into summation y square minus summation y square by n. Now you put the value of summation xy 4736, summation x 160, summation y 145, n 5, summation x square 5238, summation x 160 whole square divided by n means 5, summation y square, this one is summation y square 4285, summation y whole square, summation y 145 whole square divided by 5. You simplify all this, get 96. You simplify again this one. Okay, now 96 divided by 0.98. In your previous mass, we have also get 0.98. So 0.98 means greater than 0, less than 1. So here the coefficient of correlation between the age of husband and wife is partially correlated, positively partially correlated, positively partially positively correlated. Okay, if the wants the comment, you will write the relation, the age of husband and wife is partially positively correlated. I think you have understood all these things. This math is very important. In your exam, you may get this sort of math in your pre-test, test and SSC exam also. For SSC examining, this is also very important. Thank you. Now, rank correlation. Sometimes the values are not given. Sometimes only the rank is given, or sometimes the qualities are given, quality to the data. In this case, we have to rank the values. It may be, you can be arranged gradually, that is upward to downwards or downward to upwards. That is from greater to lower, lower to greater. You can rank. If you rank greater to lower in X, Y also same, greater to lower. 1, 2, 3 you can give the rank. Okay, sometimes it is difficult to measure the association between two variables without making assumption. In this situation, we rank each individual with respect to the two variables or characteristics of interest. So the coefficient of correlation between two set of rank is called rank correlation. So what is rank correlation? Coefficient of correlation between two sets of rank is called rank correlation. It is denoted by rho, not p. It is denoted by rho and defined as rho is rank correlation. Rho equal to 1 minus 6 summation di square divided by n into n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n into n square minus 1, where d equal to x minus y. D equal to x minus y. So this is the formula of rank correlation, and this is very easy. This is very easy to find out the rank correlation. Okay, so if the rank is given, or sometimes you need to make the rank, in this case after making the rank you will find out the rank correlation. Rho equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n into n square minus 1. D is x minus y, and n is how many pairs are given. In our previous mass it was 5. Here also maybe 5 or maybe 10 pairs. How many pairs are given? This is indicate x. N. N is how many pair? N, number of pair. Okay, thank you. Okay, my dear students, I think all of you have understood easily that I have discussed the math in two ways: direct method and the shortcut method. Okay, coefficient of correlation and the covariance. I have discussed two methods. You can solve any by the process of any kind, any method, especially if the method is not mentioned or the data is not mentioned like any separate way, then you can solve by the second method. Alternative method is easy for you. You will follow the alternative methods. Okay, to solve the method, it is very you need very short time to solve alternative methods. Okay, I think you have understood easily. If there any problem, you can contact me. Okay, don't hesitate to call me if there any problem. I will very happy to call you. Hope you will safe in your home. Thank you.